What is the best video editor for free? The best video editing software is even better today. This means you can give an amazing, professional touch to everything from your personal vacation photos to YouTube promotional clips without spending a single penny. 1. Lighting. Lightworks is the best free video editing software in general. You get a lot of professional video editing software options at zero cost, which is pretty amazing. You do not need a credit card to register. And you can use the videos you edit for commercial purposes. The bottom line is that free licenses expire every 7 days. However, you can easily change this by resigning the application with your username and password. And there you can never complain when you see how much money you can get for free. Lightworks has an intuitive drag-and-drop user interface and powerful features such as multi-camera and multi-track video editing, allowing you to edit clips from multiple cameras in a single project. It also allows you to share projects and collaborate with other users to edit videos in real time. You can import and export videos in the background while continuing to work on something else in the foreground, a useful feature for multitaskers. The user interface is also highly customizable, which is probably one of its biggest strengths and weaknesses. Dragging windows across the interface and creating endless layout combinations can be confusing for beginners. Fortunately, there are many video tutorials that can help. Eventually, Lightworks made this free version of its software available, because it is certain that you will eventually upgrade to the paid version. It offers many features, such as direct social media sharing, the ability to export videos in formats other than MPEG and in higher resolutions than 720p. 2. HitFilm Express. Do you work on various video editing projects and need a flexible application that can do all this? Then you want HitFilm Express, which is primarily a free video editing software with a Swiss Army knife. This software is capable of creating feature films or music videos with 3D effects and is also great for creating videos on YouTube, offers instant upload. In fact, it has many features you'd expect only from expensive paid software like Premiere Pro, including support for 4K video, 360-degree editing, and hundreds of special effects. The only potential problem is that it puts a lot of strain on system resources, so it won't work well on a low-power laptop, for example. Also, the level of pro improvement can mean a great learning curve for beginners. Otherwise, the standard version has everything you need to create professional quality production. Meanwhile, if you want something specific, such as 360-degree text or other color editing tools, there are packages with additional features that start at almost $7, £6. 3. DaVinci Resolve. If the software is free, it is natural to assume that it is intended only for amateurs and beginners. And you're usually right, but here's one of the big exceptions. DaVinci Resolve is so good that it's actually used in big-budget film and television productions, thanks to its powerful color correction and sound capabilities. It is noteworthy that the free version of this paid software includes almost all its features. These include professional 8K adjustments, color correction, visual effects and sound post-production, as well as traditional color features such as curved editors and primary color wheels. There is also face recognition and tracking so you can customize skin tones, eye color and engable. DaVinci uses Resolve Fairlight for sound, a set of state-of-the-art editing tools that allow you to mix and master up to 1,000 channels. There are also no watermarks unless you use a specific premium effect, such as noise reduction. It's a more technical package than the others on this list, and it's more convenient to finish recording than to work on it from start to finish. But that means it's definitely one of the best free video editing programs you can download right now. 4. OpenShot. Most free video editing software is ultimately designed to entice you to buy a paid version. This is most evident when we talk about a free trial of paid software. And even always free software is often limited because it's a way to get paid to unlock many features. However, there is an exception to this rule in the form of open source software. Here you can get the whole product for free and there is a voluntary army of developers who are constantly working to improve it without costing you anything. The best free video editing software today is OpenShot. It is a solid basic free video editor with some welcome additional features. The minimalist drag and drop interface is easy to use for beginners, and you can stack an unlimited number of layers in a video, whether it's audio tracks, overlapping videos, or custom images. OpenShot also offers a number of customizable cover business card templates. It has all the usual options for adjusting and enhancing the video, including cropping, trimming, rotating, and resizing. You can also customize elements such as brightness, contrast, color grading and gamma. And because it's open source, none of the usual frustrating ads, watermarks, or paid upgrade promotions. Everyone is just perfect. There are back-end issues and the features don't always work as they should, or if they do, they take a long time to use, making the editing process frustrating. Lastly, for free video editing software, OpenShot is a great package if you want to avoid watermarks and ads. 05. VideoPad. Many free video editing programs are for non-commercial use only, which limits the number of projects you can export. Both of these restrictions apply to the VideoPad, but unless there are obstacles, it's worth exploring. VideoPad is a free video editor with a simple beginner's interface, but it also offers many features for advanced users. This is a limited version of paid versions with additional features and unlimited export. Most notable is the level of control that the VideoPad provides over the sound, making it a good choice for movie sequences that rely on sound effects. It supports an unlimited number of soundtracks and offers a full library of sound effects for playback. Overall, the software isn't as robust as Lightworks, but the audio editing features and audio mixing features of the free video editing program really excel. VideoPad also allows 3D video editing, a unique feature of free video editing tools. It also has many social sharing options, with a library of social media friendly effects and transitions, and the ability to post videos on platforms like Facebook or YouTube without having to leave.